All of us are constantly breathing in bacteria, viruses, germs, and pathogens. But it's our immunity that allows it to become a disease, and it's also our immunity that fights it and helps us keep healthy all the time. Are you putting into a lot of money in buying those costly and toxic probiotics from the market and still not sure whether it will work for you and are worried about its ill side effects? Don't worry. Today, I will tell you about the traditional, natural, and chemical free superfood, which is also a good source of probiotics and does wonders to your immune system and overall health. The art of building a great immunity starts when we allow our body to break down and absorb all the nutrients from the food we eat to get into our cells. For this to happen, we need the right microbes and bacteria to digest the food that we eat the right way, to absorb the nutrients from the food that we eat into our cells, to assist the digestive enzymes that we already have in our body to work better. First of all, let me give you a brief idea about what probiotics are. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for our digestive system. Our body is full of bacteria, both good and bad. Probiotics are often called good or helpful bacteria because they help keep our gut healthy. Probiotics can be found in supplements and some foods like yogurt. Doctors often suggest probiotics to some people to cope up with digestive problems. The main job of probiotics or good bacteria is to maintain a healthy balance in our body. One such great source of healthy probiotic bacteria are pickles. Pickles, also known as gherkins, are basically nothing but vegetables that are chopped and preserved in a solution of salt or water or oil. They are left to ferment for some time using their own naturally present lactic acid bacteria. Eaten in small portions every day with our meals, pickles are now regarded as a good way of consuming probiotics. Every country and religion of the world use some kind of a pickle in their diet. Even in the face of all that diversity and cultural variations in India, one member of the food bracket does seem to run common across the country, and no good Indian can live without it. Pickle making as a tradition dates back to thousands of years. Have you ever thought while having a pickle as to where it originated from and how it became the part of the Indian kitchen? Is there any history of pickles? The answer is yes. Pickling is an ancient food preservation technique. It has a history of around thousands of years dating as far as 2030 BC. People began pickling about 4,000 years ago as a way to preserve non-seasonal food items to extend their shelf life for transport. Sailors and travelers also used pickles for long journeys, especially by sea. Salt pork and salt beef were common staples for sailors before the days of steam engines. For example, cucumbers are native to India. Christopher Columbus brought cucumbers to the America in the 15th century. Pickling first originated in ancient Mesopotamia around 2400 BC. New York Food Museum's Pickle History section points out the archaeological evidence of cucumbers being pickled in the Tigris Valley of Iraq in 2030 BC. Although the process was invented to preserve foods, pickles are also made and eaten because people enjoy the resulting flavors. Pickles in India are commonly known as achar. The word achar is widely considered to be of Persian origin. In Persia, achar is commonly available as powdered or salted meats, pickles or fruits preserved in salt, vinegar, honey or syrup. Pickles in India are of three basic types: those preserved in vinegar, those preserved in salt, and those preserved in oil. In India, oil is a popular medium used for pickling. Antimicrobial herbs and spices such as mustard seed, garlic, cinnamon, or cloves are often added. Mango pickles are by far the most popular Indian pickles, and there are hundreds of types of mango pickles in India. It is said that almost anything can be pickled, from vegetables, fruits, berries and gourds, to leaves, shoots and roots, and even chicken, prawn and fish. We Indians pickle almost everything. Some Indian families have family recipes for pickles passed down through generations. Sour, spicy, sweet, tangy, they are available and made in all types of tastes to suit your tongue. Some lasts 1 to 2 weeks, some for almost a year, and some for a minimum of 2 years. The spices, salt, herbs come together in controlled temperature and environment conditions. They enhance the taste and flavor of our food. Every state in India probably has several unique varieties of pickles that spice up our plate and adds a spicy and tangy hit of flavors to our taste buds. They help in the digestion processes of the body. While in the process of making it, over time it develops some probiotic bacteria. This good bacteria resides in the gastrointestinal tract of our body and ensures good digestion, absorption, assimilation and excretion of our food. What happens inside the pickle is the process that labs know called lactofermentation. Pickles ensure that our gut is not colonized by pathogens or the bad bacteria. They are full of antioxidants. Antioxidants are micronutrients which protect the living body against the attack of free radicals. When cells use oxygen to generate energy, free radicals are created, which results in oxidative stress. The human body has several mechanisms to counteract oxidative stress by producing antioxidants, which are either naturally produced in situ or externally supplied through foods and/or supplements. Restoring electrolytic balance. Electrolytes are salts that the body needs for healthy functioning. When the person experiences dehydration, they may also lose electrolytes. Adding pickle to your diet every day can also maintain the balance of electrolytes in the body. Boosts immunity. When Indian pickles are being made, a lot of turmeric powder is added to it. This turmeric powder contains a chemical called curcumin. This chemical has anti-inflammatory properties which help our body to fight against the attack of various bacteria and viruses. Once our gut health starts improving, things starts to change. Nutritional profile. They are a reliable source of vitamins and minerals. Like most vegetables, pickles are almost all water and have very little fat or protein. They are low in calorie. Other vitamins and minerals found are vitamin K, calcium, potassium, vitamin C, and pickles provide the body with healthy bacteria which makes it easy for our body to produce vitamins like B12. Without salt and oil in the right amount, the pickles are spoiled as the wrong kind of bacteria starts to develop. So, it is always advised to buy a pickle from a hygienic place and from close friends and relatives whom you know well. Nowadays, fresh, authentic and hygienic pickles can also be bought online, which are sometimes indirectly coming from someone's home kitchen, as most moms have started collaborating with food delivery apps like Zomato and Swiggy to serve you fresh pickles directly from them. In the 21st century, nothing is impossible. For example, if you are watching this video in America or Australia, you can still have it there. Search online and I'm sure you will definitely find one. How to eat it the right way? Do you know that just adding a little piece of this thing can do miracles to your overall health in the long run? It is a small part of your meal, and a little pickle with dal rice or curry rice or chapati provides your body with the right combo of the probiotic and ensures that the live bacteria are not dead when they reach your gut. Too much of it is harmful for your health. There are many ways to make pickles, so people can experiment with different methods. The right combination of seasonings and spices can make a big difference.